Larry, Sam Laofo, Sam Laoshi, Sam Laibaluje. Ojoko, Obimotie. Ofi abo bo omotie, o de mu amodomo, o de se basubashu. Yes, Ọlọ́run asaye tie no basubashu. Sam Larry o ma jáde sí to ṣẹlẹ̀. Àwa abiyamọ fẹ́ mọ̀. A fẹ́ mọ̀ abiyamọ, a fẹ́ mọ̀ tó ṣe, tó fi jókòó, tó fi wò pé ìwọ Sam Larry. Ìwọ ọmọ o de nlepa, o lepa nítorí pé o la àwọn bàbá ìsàlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn tani bàbá ẹ̀ tó ní dárúkọ wọn. Kò sẹ́ni t'Ọlọ́run ò lè mú. Kò lè sẹ́ni t'Ọlọ́run ò lè pa. Ṣé ọkọ wà ní ayé tó ní kú ni kò sẹ́ni tó ní kú. Gbogbo aládé kú dèsè. Èmi tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n mo lè sùn lọ́la kí n má jí mọ́. Ayé asán. Nigeria is blessed with talent. And we cannot allow nobody, no cause, no one pull them down. It wasn't easy. We will not allow nobody pull those children down because that's what's giving us joy. We dance to their music. The world listens to their music. They celebrate them. Burna Boy is making us proud. Davido is making us proud. What's her name? Toye Abraham, I need you. Nkechi Blessing, I need you. Eniola Badmus, Ejade Sita, hello, shut up, politics. A fight for one is a fight for all. They cannot be bigger than all of us. This boy's death must bring justice, not just to him alone, but to all other upcoming young boys who has risen from the slum and looked up to you people out there and say, I want to be a Wizkid. Wizkid, I need you. Tiwa Savage, I need you. I need. Back to you, sir. You said he's your brother. What did you do? When they were harassing him, beating him, doing a lot of things for him, what did you do? Is it by force to be under? The promoters promoters, they want to be by musical promoters. Hey Joe, please, is it a must that when somebody leaves your record label, his career and his life must end? Please, come on. Shake out and shake a cuckoo mountain, Josie. Come on, down, waste your while my law show, see. Shake out till a darling. She be school, but she cut. I mean, when you cut it, the industry. I join the camera, but my crew, not doing, can't hear by Kilo Shelle. Kilo de. Biamo. I join the question. I join Kilo Shelle. I join the camera. On his pictures. Or by Legushi. I know he's close to you. I have seen you and their pictures together. Jade ke ba wa bi Sam Larry ko jade e ma sọ pé e mo Sam Larry sa kábíyèsí e ma sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ko jade ko sọ ohun tí ọmọ yẹn ṣe fún tó fi wo ṣuṣu tó ní pé ọmọ yẹn ṣe ẹ̀mí ọmọ yẹn máa bọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kó jade ẹ jẹ́ kó wá sọ tẹnu ẹ̀ torí àwa abiyamọ ayé a fẹ́ mọ̀. I have been so pushed to the wall that I don't even care no more. Because all dying and one day person go die, no be two, and I can never. The worst thing I would ever do in my life is fear death. I would never fear death because I would die. Why would I fear what will kill me? It is what I will eat tomorrow, and the bills that we pay tomorrow. That's the one I worry about too, because I don't know how it's going to be. I want you to use your good office, sir. I know everybody has their positions, and I'm going to be mentioning names. I'm going to be calling on some high authorities who should be in charge of this case. I will be calling on them one by one. But sir, because you are the #1 citizen of Lagos State, sir, we need you, sir, to use your good office. Sir, we need you, sir, our excellency, sir, to use your good office to see to it that all this investigation that they say they want to carry out or they are carrying out, but he has paid that ultimate price. This has to stop in the music industry. So I am begging you again, sir. I loved your energy during election, sir. Honestly. During election, I was dazed at the rate at which you were supporting the youth. You know, I even saw you when you came for Hilda Bassi's, when she won the food marathon abi Toronto. I was very happy when I saw you. You were there. You went there to encourage her. You went around. You were around, going around. You were supporting the youth, and that was beautiful, honestly. And I said to myself, oh, I never knew that, you know, you're like so interested in the youth like this. Okay, it's a good one. Let's see how it goes. Sir, let's see how it goes. This is how we are going to see it. This one is how we are going to see how it goes, sir. Ejo, sir. That's your good office that you are sitting on, sir. We want you to help us see to it that Mohbad gets justice. Now, before I go on, my foundation is going to write all the necessary authorities, all, just like we did in the time of the rape case. They are going to write all the necessary authorities because he must get justice. My lawyer is on ground. Mama Mohbad, Baba Mohbad, eba sọ fún wọn. Lọ́wọ́ lawyer wà ńlẹ̀ o. Lawyer wà ńlẹ̀ bí ìyẹ̀pẹ̀. A máa ṣẹjọ́ eléyìí o. Help me send a message to Baba Mohbad, Mama Mohbad, ìyàwó Mohbad àti gbogbo family Mohbad. Ẹ̀yin nìkan kọ́ lẹ ní Mohbad báyìí o. A máa ṣẹjọ́ eléyìí o. Lawyer wà ńlẹ̀ o. Foundation wà ńlẹ̀ o. We are going to fight this battle because we must see that he gets justice. There is no Nigerian that is more superior than any other Nigerian. This boy suffered. This one is like no evidence. Evidence is one. I haven't slept well in days. In fact, the Abuja I went to, I just don't have a choice. Baba Dashe and God Oloshe. I will not be myself. I close my eyes, I keep seeing this boy. He is crying for help. He is crying for justice. And he has to get justice. Things I consider that I can remember everything word for word, right? I have a lot. Police. I want to leave the police. Let me come back and sort out this before I go there. Naira Marley, come here. You said in your word, hello guys, I have been shattered. I'm reading Naira Marley's Kinibai. I have been shattered. Don't even know what to type since I have been so hot while I. Snapchat tó ń jó lọ́jọ́ kejì àbọ́jọ́ kẹta tọmọ yẹn kú. Ṣé ara, is that how you are grieving that way? Tó ń jó tó ń ṣe. Ṣé ara grieving tiẹ̀ nìyẹn lórí Snapchat tiẹ̀ mo rí o. So, but ẹja fìyẹn lẹ̀. Let's leave that now. But guys, let us do this for Mohbad. You asked us to do this for Mohbad, so we are doing this for Mohbad. In your words. I know internet can, internet will, because this is beyond internet. Ṣé àdọ́fíìsì wọn á lọ jókòó bẹ́ẹ̀ bàbá jókòó bẹ́ẹ̀ láàárọ̀ lọ́sàn-án lálẹ́ wọ́n bá dá wa lóhùn. We are getting there. Why was he buried so quick in that manner? I thought he's your brother. Question to bèrè yẹn ó wù mí lójú díẹ̀. He's your brother now. You loved him. And he was signed to your record label, Abi. Why was he buried so quick in that manner? Oh, ni number babe Abi ye ni. Oh, ni number family. Okay, I'm coming. So, I want to ask you a question now. If truly, this boy is your brother, I'm not arguing with you. Everything that you say moves back. But you know, any question that's a bit. You have asked question. This question that you have asked us, we are taking it to the right authorities. They will help us get answers, no doubt. We will do that one. But me now, I want to ask you a question. Not one question, questions. We should be question one of a bien question. This boy, you claim is your brother. Ijadedi. I saw your video then. It was a live video. You said he has mental health issue. Abi? I saw another video where you said he forgets things. He's your brother. He's your musician. Oshe Koshe. He did 1, 2, 3, 4, some few songs for you, which you are benefiting from. Under your record label, Abi? So what did you do when you found out that he had mental health issues? Oh, you know his dad is poor. You know he's a struggling boy. So what did you do? As this your brother is under your record label. He's using his talent to make money for you. So what did you do, my dear brother? How did you help him? Did you call his dad and his mom and sit them down and say, please, we need to take care of this guy. We need to find treatment for him. We need to show him love. You understand? Mohbad, even if you don't want to be part of, my whatever anymore, it's fine. You're my brother. We need to get your help. Did you show him love? Did you stand by him? Did you take him for treatment? Did he get the necessary help that he needed to get? Because he worked for you. He sang for... Take it easy. Okay. What did you do about it? In your words. So I'm asking all you record label people. That's why I said tag all of them. I need to know. When you guys sign all these young boys and they have issues, spiritual, mentally, emotional issues, is it only what you can get from them that benefits you? Or you guys don't go out of your extra mile to make sure and see to it that they get the necessary help that they need? I need to know. These are the questions we want to ask. Because you guys cannot make that mistake our forefathers has made. You can't do that. We can't keep saying that the youth are the leader of tomorrow and that the youth are the one destroying everything the more. We can't do that. It's not possible. So I need to know. You need to answer me that question. I want to know. So I know who to blame. I need you to say, oh, I did everything in my power. I even paid for his, psychiatric hospital to take care of him. Booked him into a... My dear. Excuse me. My mom suffered mental health. And for good 30 years of my life, I took care of her. So when it comes to anything mental health, I have a very wide understanding about it. He's not just saying it. There are evidences, there are videos everywhere he goes to. Even in London, everywhere this boy went. Oh God, I cannot. Do you know, guys, I was only with this boy for 3 days. And I could see the amount of fear. He was so disturbed. In fact, at the time, I kept asking my man, what's wrong with this boy? Because he kept he's always, he was like so disturbed. He would just, mama, She said, what's wrong with you? I'm fine, ma. A lot is going on. But when I come to Lagos, I want us to do TikTok. I want us to do skit together. I want to do skit. I said, okay. When I come back, you know I'm very busy. I want us to do skit together. Don't worry, I'll come and meet you anywhere. I said, okay, no, no problem. When you come. But you could see.
Mohbad must get justice. Powerful justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. Either they like it or not. Justice for Mohbad. 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 The government will do something about this. So justice for Mohbad. Mohbad must get his justice. You cannot just take his head and go like that. Justice for Mohbad. 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 Wow. Justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. Mohbad must get his justice. Enough is enough. Justice for Mohbad. I love the way people are speaking out. Justice and mercy after death. Justice for Mohbad. Mohbad must get his justice. Either they like it or not. Justice for Mohbad. I stand for justice. Mohbad must get his justice. Powerful justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. Either they like it or not. Justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad.
My own case with you. Because my lawyer is going to write you. Yes, my foundation will write you. I want to know his money. What's happening to it? His songs. Actually, any contracts they sign. All the money bo she mama gbowó ẹ̀, àbí royalty gbogbo ẹ̀, a ní bó ṣe mama gbà now. So where is this money? He has a son. Forget everybody that say, I will send him to university in 20 years. The boy is a liar. You said he's no more with you. You said he had mental health with your own mouth. I watched the video then and I watched it again. You did not get help for him. You didn't give him money. You didn't give him any support. They kept on bullying him here and there, telling him he couldn't come for shows, this and that and this. They frustrate. Do you guys know what it is to live in fear? Do you know what it is to be traumatized? That guy must have had the highest PTSD ever. Beating him up, and they keep calling your name, and you had nothing to say about it. You didn't get any protection. You didn't come out to say, no, leave that boy alone. You allowed them bully him, and you had nothing to say about it until when he died. You put his picture on your fucking page. Where they want to follow Marley, you know. You put his picture on your fucking page, and you call him your fucking brother. That's a fucking. Marley, I'm talking to you. I don't care all that you say, you're gangster, shit, you've been to prison 124. Oh, ti walk kiri ni. Oba walk kiri ni fe wo be mo. Oh, ti won emo gidi. Yeah, been to ṣe sẹ́ẹ̀lì lẹ́ ń pe sẹ́ẹ̀lì London yìí tẹ́ ń gbádùn tó jẹ́ pé ẹ ti máa sọ sẹ́ẹ̀lì tẹ́ fẹ́ lọ lẹ́nu. Èwo lẹ́ni kẹ́ tún lọ lọ́la. Ẹ gbádùn bẹ́ẹ̀ máa bọ́n bí báyìí kó wá lọ bí kò mọ bó ṣe ń lọ. Wà gbélé gbọ́. What did you do? He's your brother. Your own words, Neo. Normally, your own words with your own mouth. You said he's your brother, so what did you do? They harassed him, they bullied him. He kept. Ẹ̀gbọ́n Sam Larry. Torí àgbàyà ni ní kankan tí mo fẹ́ pè ju àgbàyà lọ. I saw your video. You said, Baba Jabika Kuko, you don't have anything to do with it. You don't have anything to do with his death. Okay. Amio. Wọ́n fẹ́ ẹ̀wù bàtọ́ tó sáré dìde ní ọmọ inú ẹ̀. Sam Larry, Sam Laofo, Sam Laoshi, Sam La ìbànújẹ́. O dẹ̀ bí àwọn ọmọ tiẹ̀. O jókòó, o bímọ tiẹ̀. O fi àbọ̀ bọ́ àwọn ọmọ tiẹ̀. O dẹ̀ mú ọmọ lọ́mọ, o dẹ̀ ṣe báṣubàṣu. Ayé ọlọ́wà ṣáyé tiẹ̀ náà báṣubàṣu. Sam Larry wọ́n máa jáde sí tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Àwọn abiyamọ fẹ́ mọ̀. A fẹ́ mọ̀ abiyamọ, a fẹ́ mọ̀ ohun tó ṣe. Tó fi jókòó, tó fi wò pé ìwọ Sam Larry. Ìwọ ọmọ lọ́mọ, o dẹ̀ ń lépa. Nítorí pé o láwọn bàbá ìsàlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn tání bàbá ẹ̀ tó nínú. Dárúkọ wọn. Kò sí ẹni tó lọ́wọ́ ò lè mú. Kò lè sí ẹni tọ́lọ́run ò lè pa. Ṣé ọkọ wà ní ayé tó ò ní kú ni kò sí ẹni tó ò ní kú. Gbogbo alájẹ kú gbèsè. Èmi tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n mo lè sùn lọ́la kí n má jí mọ́. Ayé asán. Foundation. Ọlọ́run ó ṣe o. Ọlọ́run ó ṣe tó jẹ́ kí n ní foundation yìí o. Know that they will be writing you people one by one. When I'm now done with you people, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń gbà ní Amẹ́ríkà. Gbogbo embassy gbogbo wọn máa gbálẹ̀ kankan kò sí nǹkan tẹ́tẹ́ fi mí ṣe wọ́n mo ṣe wáyé mo ti dẹran yín ẹ pa mí mo ti dẹran yín ẹ sún mi jẹ ṣùgbọ́n náà ń fún yín lẹ́ran ilé ìṣá ó máa há iná fún báyìí bẹ́ẹ̀ bá pa mí tán wà láì ọlọ́wọ̀n bá mọ̀ pé mo máa dúró sáàrin báyìí ni máa ní ọlọ́run hell I no go heaven I no go kò bá ìjogún ọdún lẹ tó kún ẹ bọ̀ wá bá mi a tún máa continue ní adúta continua Victoria satin ẹ lè máa kó àwọn ọmọ wa ẹ lè máa kún wọn ní ẹ̀mí jẹ ẹ lè máa kún wọn lọ́kàn jẹ you cannot it's not possible and you people that are blaming Zino I cannot blame Zino mélòó ni Zino mélòó lè ra ẹ nígbà tó ní kan tó ń fi kejì òun ṣé kí lè fẹ́ kó ṣe ọmọ lọ́mọ Mohbad sì lára ju Zino ṣé Zino yẹn kí lẹ fẹ́ kọ́ fi Zino ẹgbẹ́ tó máa fi nù ẹyọ kan nìyẹn ó máa kan nì ẹ wá ní kó má sọpọ́tì kó má ṣe ẹ fẹ́ pọmọ lọ́mọ ni ẹ rí pé ìyá àti bàbá ẹ̀gbọ́n jókòó sẹ́gbẹ́ ẹ̀ ní ẹ̀rí bóyá ṣe ni kó lè bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ kí lẹ fẹ́ kọ́mọ lọ́mọ ṣe kó jáde kó ní òun fẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ kó kú ni. Naira Marley, back to you sir you said he's your brother what did you do? When they were harassing him, beating him, doing a lot of things for him, what did you do? Is it by force to be ordered? The promoters àti promoters they want to be by musical promoters. Joe, please, is it a must that when somebody leaves your record label, his career and his life must end? Please, come on. Shake out and shake akuku mountain Josie. Come on, dance.
No. The Chanjalea, what's it called? By them side malaria, no. My phone is with them. You understand? Oh, my worry. Starting the link. Finishing back. See what's going on here?
Yeah, Mohbad o padà rí finishing yẹn ṣe but Ọlọ́run wà.
You not do wetin you want do. No. Don't do. Shebi na the say na the big guy. See what I'm married to Mohbad, see? I'm in the Dado estate.
Ní ọmọ tó ń look up to you. Ní ọmọ tó jí láàárọ̀ tí náà máa dùn pé Naira Marley fẹ́ sáìnì mi ayé mi ti dá tí kò mọ̀ pé ó ń padà lọ gba ìbànújẹ́ ó ń padà lọ gba ikú ó ń padà lọ gba ronú ó ń padà lọ gba ẹ̀rù bíbà. Tó máa wo Sam Larry pé àwọn ọ̀gá mi àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi rèé kí lọmọ yóò bá ṣe kí ni kò bá ṣe kí ni kò bá ṣe ẹ wá mú tẹ̀fẹ̀ pa Mohbad. Meanwhile, I remember there was a video that circulated where they had some men wearing the NDLA uniform. We need you to use your good office to fish out those, at least their videos. I'm sure. Abi, are they not videos? They are videos. I've seen the video. Somebody should send it to me, please. The video. We're going to send it to them.
The government will do something about this. So justice for Mohbad. Mohbad must get his justice. You cannot just take his head and go like that. Justice for Mohbad. 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 Wow. Justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. Mohbad must get his justice. Enough is enough. Justice for Mohbad. I love the way people are speaking out. Justice and mercy after death. Justice for Mohbad. Mohbad must get his justice. Either they like it or not. Justice for Mohbad. I stand for justice. Mohbad must get his justice. Power for justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. Either they like it or not. Justice for Mohbad. 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 The government will do something about it. So justice for Mohbad. Mohbad
Evidence down for you people, so you don't need any more evidence
like that. Justice for
to find out what actually happened.
Justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad.
Answer, please. It will be a slap on every single person that is fighting for this cause, that you people should remain and claim Naira Marley to be an ambassador. We need that thing revoked.
I love the way people are speaking out. Just after this.
Davido, thank you. I heard you supported them, but I need you to do more than support them. Financially, I heard you supported, but I need you to do more. Don Jazzy, a lot of youths look up to you. We need you. Olamide Bado, mo mọ̀ pé kí fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ó máa ó láti dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ eléyìí. It's you people's industry. The likes of Fela, the likes of our daddy Ebenezer Obey, the likes of Sonny Ade, the likes of Tubaba, the likes of so many artists paved this way for you people. And you people must not disappoint us. You must pave this way for the younger ones. Whatever is going on in that industry, Falz the bad guy, I need you. Macaroni, I need you. Balashegi, Keith Abiola, Kiki. You all are entertainers. And you all are youths, your younger ones. I can shout for all I care because I have a voice. Toye Abraham, I need you. Ikechi Blessing, I need you. Any other bad news, I judge it. Hello, shut up, politics. A fight for one is a fight for all. They cannot be bigger than all of us. This boy's death must bring justice, not just to him alone, but to all other upcoming young boys who has risen from the slum and looked up to you people out there and say, I want to be a Wizkid. Wizkid, I need you. Tiwa Savage, I need you. I need all of you on board. These young boys, they come from the slum. They come from the ghetto. Just like most of you did. And they look up to you people and say, I want to be like them. I want to make it. And they have so much talent. Music is one of the talents that has put Nigeria on the map. Music has made us proud. Afrobeat to the world. I saw this boy recently at the Headies. What's his name? The young boy that got an award and he gave a speech at the Headies. He just won an award with Selena Gomez. What's his name? Is it Rema? That boy gave a speech and I was so happy. I was like, these people are making us proud. These children are making us proud. And he's a gotawa ole she, and one more she, and aburo one she. Rema, I was so proud of him. Nigeria is blessed with talent. And we cannot allow nobody, no cult, no one pull them down. Ashake is making us proud right now. It wasn't easy. We will not allow nobody pull those children down because that's what's giving us joy. We dance to their music. The world listens to their music. They celebrate them. Burna Boy is making us proud. Davido is making us proud. What's her name? That girl. All those. There's so many of them. We will not allow what Fela, what Sonny Ade, what Baba Tubaba, what there's so many of them. There's so many legends. We will not allow what they have toiled for. The pattern they have paved. The new children come on board and make so much from. The new young ones come on board and make so much. We're not talking about children. I'm not talking about the Burna Boys. I'm talking about the young ones, just like this boy that died. They come on board to make money from this, to give life, to give music. To the not. One of the reasons why you are so popular is because of all these people, because you post them back to back. We will not allow that. A lot has failed us in this country. A lot has failed us. And I give kudos to the likes of, I may not say this all the time, but Fal's the bad guy. Macaroni. Any day. A lot has failed us, so. But this one thing that we all hold on to, that we all glamour onto, that these young ones look up to with so much talent, and they want to give out their talent, they want to showcase, and they have so much talent. This one thing, you people are not going to destroy it. Who is Naira Marley? Talobi? Talo Sefu Tony Tobe Oshoro? Talo Goyafu? Tani Naira Marley? Bó bá ṣe wèrè ẹni London ló wà ò lè gbé wá bí báyìí. Kò possible. Ẹ lè pa wá lọ́mọ jẹ o. Kẹ́ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀, it's not possible. We need justice. And I am not just shouting. We will take the necessary steps. And for these steps to work, we will come out. And Luther continue Victoria is definitely going to be a certain. Èmi kọ́ lẹ tí ń pè mí ní wèrè. Èmi kọ́ lẹ tí ń pè mí láṣẹ́wọ́. Èmi kọ́ lẹ tí ń pè mí lọ́mọ àlè. Èmi kọ́ lẹ tí ń pè mí nǹkan tó bá wọn kẹ́ pè mí ní àlàlà yẹn ò ní kí n má sọ tọrọ máa sọ tí máa fi kún ni. Ẹ kọ́ lẹ lè pa mí o. But you cannot kill all of us. If you kill me today, somebody else will get up and fight. There's no more fear. That is why we chose democracy. Right? It's supposed to be a government for the people. I be by the people. I'm not so English in it. Right? It has to stop. These boys cannot be living in fear. It is not a must that they have to.
Justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. Mohbad must get his justice. Enough is enough. Justice for Mohbad. I love the way people are speaking out. Justice and mercy after death. Justice for Mohbad. Mohbad must get his justice. Either they like it or not. Justice for Mohbad. I stand for justice. Mohbad must get his justice. Powerful justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad. Either they like it or not. Justice for Mohbad. 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 The government will do something about this. So justice for Mohbad. Mohbad must get his justice. You cannot just take his head and go like that. Justice for Mohbad. 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 Justice for Mohbad.